Hey guys, today's video is extra special because I have the honor of vlogging with none other than Reed for Speed, the top motovlogger in the Philippines. We're meeting up with the team behind the Filipino sports car Aurelio, and I can't wait to share the experience with you all. Reed will be riding his sleek Z1000R and I'll be on my trusty Triumph Trident. It's also my first time here on LX, SCTEX and Dirt Pampanga, so I'm a bit nervous but also excited for the adventure. After a few wrong turns, some GPS mishaps, I finally made it into the meeting place in one piece.
Thank you ah. Thank you po. Ay, nag-big.
It's a thrill to see Reed and some of his fans already gathered taking pictures and catching up before getting ready to check out the Aurelio sports car. Our first location is a closed bridge where the Aurelio team is showcasing the car to us. It's an impressive vehicle with sleek lines. Reed takes the lead with his comprehensive review and some shots were taken. Once the shoot is over, we start handing out our stickers to our subscribers who are there. It's always a humbling experience to meet and interact with our audience in person.
Na lang kayo dyan.
The day winds down, I'm riding back home with Reed, getting quick lessons on navigating the roads of Clark.
Pagka magre-race track ka, dito ko muna magpapagas.
Okay.
Ito yung pinakamalapit.
Okay. Hindi ko pa na-try eh.
Dito medyo mahal dito kasi sa loob tayo ng Clark.
Oo nga no.
Ano masasabi mo doon sa kotse?
Maganda. Sana magkaroon ng future.
Kasi bukas magkikita tayo, di ba?
Oo. Ay, ubos na sir. Binigay ko sa kanya lahat.
Bukas yung channel mo.
Ano, Joseph Activate.
Okay, sige.
Sige.
Wala akong sticker, naubusan.
Oo.
It was a dope experience to be riding with the top motovlogger in the Philippines, and I'm soaking up every moment of it. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more exciting motovlogs like this. And keep on activating!